Yes, here we're scanning this sink. I used the Raptor, Creality Raptor scanner. It's a little bit hard to scan because it's so shiny metal. Here's my homemade targets. I have I think this sink is AC304 because it's really kind of magnetic. Model is almost green everywhere. That's perfect. I think this is not so accurate needed, so I think this is good enough. Take some time to optimizing the object, remove the markers, and prepare it for meshes. Yes, here we have taken this meshed scan into meshmixer just for adjusting to the grid. Yes. And we take the model into Quiksurface. Just for taking out this surface into scan. Then we have modeling this sink strainer that we have done in BricsCad Ultimate Modeling. We have made this hexagon pattern, 5mm opening. So now we plan to 3D print this prototype. Okay, then we have opened Creality Print and bought this STL file. As you see, this size is strainer is 305 mm length and width is 176. To prepare this thing. So, slicing. Just doing camera printer. Let's choose the PLA black hole. So this.
So loud they can hear us from now. Me Okay, then we have to test the prototype. Does it fit? It fits 100%. Well done.
Let's let the good times roll.